Explanation of History by Class 8th, Chapter 1, How, When, and Where.
Hello everyone, we all are from class 8 and today we are going to explain our history's first chapter whose name is How, When and Where. My name is Vinay, my topic is history. History is the study of common people, about their lives and their new ideas. People who write history are called historians.
My topic is period in history. History is divided into three parts: ancient, modern, medieval. The central relationship between past and present of a given society. Thank you.
My topic is dates are important in history. Dates play important role in history. Dates important to know the important events in archaeological order. Dates को ऐसे हम ये जान पाते हैं कि कौन सी घटना कब घटी थी.
बहुत सारे हिस्टोरियन थे जिन्होंने ब्रिटिश रूल के बारे में किताब लिखी, पर उनमें से सबसे बेहतरीन 1817 में जेम्स मिल ने लिखी, जिसका नाम था द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटिश भारत। इन्होंने इसको 3 भाग में डिवाइड किया, हिंदू, मुस्लिम एंड क्रिश्चियन। क्योंकि वो ब्रिटिश से थे इसलिए उन्होंने ब्रिटिश को ऊंचा ओहदा दिया और भारतीयों को नीचा। थैंक यू।
Good morning. We tell you about sources of history in modern Bharat. It includes five sources: archaeological source, literary source, official records, survey records, and indigenous records. My topic is literary source. Literary source provide crucial information about history, particularly in modern period. This is particularly in written documents like printed books, newspaper, government documents, biography, etc. They are important for understand political, social, and economic development during modern era. Thank you.
Archaeological source includes bicycle remains like buildings, monuments, coins, and inscriptions. It helps understood materials, culture, and lifestyles. Time. For example, buildings, coins, forts.
My topic is survey report. The British starts conducting surveys. There are many types of survey like land survey, revenue survey, and each other. Mapping is the important part of survey reports. Thank you.
My topic is ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड. ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर द्वारा बनाए गए रिकॉर्ड को हम ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड कहते हैं. ये रिकॉर्ड हमें उस टाइम में हो रहे ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Indigenous records, diaries, pilgrims and travelers, newspapers, books and novels reflected the feeling of the Bharatiya under British rule. People wrote in English. Dada Bhai Noraji wrote an poverty and un-British rule in India. Newspapers in Marathas in English reflect the feeling of the British. Thank you.